Assalamu alaikum. What are you thinking, brother? I have a friend who is getting married to a Kafir lady, and I'm thinking on how to guide him. On this issue, I will guide you later, but first tell me, do you know what a Kafir is?
I think so, and to me all non-Muslims are
Kafir.
Now tell me, what does the word kufr mean? I think kufr means denying.
So then, what does Kafir mean?
Since kufr is an act of denying,
so the one who does it is called a Kafir, or a denier. Great! Now open your mind and answer a few questions. If I have not asked you to bring the water, then have you denied it? Obviously no. Why? Because you have not asked me to bring water, so how can I deny it? Only that person can deny who is asked to do it. Great! So denier or kafir is the one who receives the instructions and do not follow them, right? Right. Now tell me, who has a Quran at home where Allah's instructions are written, you or that lady? Me. Okay, so who has received Allah's instructions first, you or that lady?
I think me.
Now tell me, are you following all those instructions of Allah? No, not all of them. And also that I have never opened a Quran for the purposes of checking this. So who is the first kafir or denier of those instructions? Who has received them or who has not received them, us or that lady? What about that lady? Brother, first worry about yourself, then think about others. Now, for that lady, first give her the message of Allah, and based on her reaction, you can assume whether she is towards kafir or not. But do remember that in Surah 4, Ayat 94, Allah has not allowed us to call anyone kafir. So, brother, am I a kafir? Brother, you need to evaluate yourself. There are Allah's instructions given in the Quran, and you need to see how many of those instructions you agree with by following them and become a Muslim of them, and how many of those instructions you deny, but not following them and become a kafir of them. Okay, brother, so how can I check my level of Iman and correct myself to become a better Muslim? There are approximately 90 ayat in the Quran where Allah addresses to those who agree on the existence of Allah and tells such believers their duties by saying, "O you who believe." We need to see those duties and start putting a tick on those we follow and start practicing those instructions that we are not following. Thank you for guiding me, but it will take a lot of time by me to find all those duties. To make it easy to find those duties, you can visit this website at www.questionquran.com and click on the subject of About Believers. You can also download its mobile apps in the name of Question Quran from the Play Store or the App Store. Here you can find all ayat with multiple translations and references to verify from the Quran present at your home. So brother, remember, Muslim is not a label you are born with. It's the act of individuals which decides their level of being Muslim or kafir. So we need to act positively to be a Muslim. Thank you, brother, for opening my eyes. I will now prepare a checklist and correct myself, and will also share this message with others to educate them.